What is your spirit animal?
The squirrel.
Why?
Because they're always moving.
A seal,
Why?
because they're fat.
And what is your spirit animal?
A manatee.
The eagle.
Why?
It just soars up there. It's free.
Do you want to be free?
I want to be free.
What's your spirit animal?
That's a good question. Probably a duck.
Sloth.
Sloth.
Do you know why?
Mr. Straight's class, 7th grade.
And what is your spirit animal?
A unicorn.
Unicorn. A unicorn.
A quokka.
Why is that?
It's cute.
Definitely a lemur,
Why is that?
because they're adorable.
My spirit animal is a seahorse
Why is that?
because the males give birth.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Bengal tiger.
Why is that?
I just really like their personality and how they like to attack everything.
Jason Corzin. Because he's an academic weapon.
A goldfish.
Why?
So I can swim.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
My goldfish Oliver that I won at the fair.
Why is it your goldfish Oliver?
Well, I had him and then my brother changed the pH level and killed him, but before that, he got really big, so I kept feeding him bread.
Is that all? Is that why is your spirit animal?
I don't know, I guess I could just kind of relate to him because I like to eat a lot too, so.
A wombat,
Why is that?
because I like to say wombat.
Okay.
Ryan Baker.
Why is that?
Just because he's my spirit animal.
Ryan Baker, what is your spirit animal?
Mine would be a deer because they have a really strong kick.
Is that all?
Yeah, that is all.